Hi! In front of me is REALME C17 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Home Screen and Lock Screen over here. Following that, you need to tap on Home Screen Mode at the top, scroll all the way down and click on Simple Mode. Lastly, select Apply in the pop-up. So when I do that and click on Switch, I can see that Easy Mode was successfully enabled. If you want to go back to the standard one, click on Settings again and tap on Exit Simple Mode at the bottom. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!